Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Marie.
And my name is Lila.
Students, this is your weekly reminder to bring your IDs.
But don't just bring your ID, you're required to wear your ID at all times. If you do not have your ID, you will get lunch detention, and if it continues, this will result in a 2-hour detention.
Attention, are you or anyone interested in joining the Heritage High School's band, or even joining a band camp to get a feel of things? Well, this announcement is for you.
Whether you are interested in doing percussion, dance, winds, flags, or even a pianist, we've got you covered. For everyone who joins, Heritage has rookie camp as well as regular band camp.
If you or someone who knows is interested, we have dates listed on the screen now. If you would like to join, scan the QR code as well.
You remember what we said about a pianist as well. Heritage is also looking for someone who plays piano. All levels of skills are welcome.
Students, there's only one more Saturday left of Saturday school. There are still many EOCs as well as many ACE exams. So please prepare and come to Saturday school from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m.
There will be snacks and pizza while you study. So if you need some extra help for any courses, feel free to join this Saturday.
Students, do you play pickleball? Our Hosta Club and tennis program will be hosting a pickleball tournament fundraiser here on Saturday, May 7th.
This will be a fantastic event for any student to be part of volunteering at the event. The proceeds will help raise money for several clubs and programs.
We hope to see some of our Heritage Panthers participate. Registrations for this event is due by May 10th, 2025. So that makes our bracket keep the date moving.
The attached flyer has a QR code for registration. Please email Coach Shelley or Coach Winbridge for more information.
Students, our musical theater program has been preparing daily for the spring musical. They had their first show last night and will prepare High School Musical 2 again today at 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. and our last show tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Tickets are $5 for students and $8 for adults. Scan QR code to pay online. Come out and see all these talented students on stage.
Panthers, Ms. Rock has a few announcements for all students. First off, auditions of 2025 to 2026 show choir will be on Wednesday, May 7th from 3:45 to 5:45 in the choir room.
The superior rated assemble gets to travel extensively, has opportunities to perform at Disney, NASCAR, a cappella competition, etc. Interested students need to join this Google Classroom code.
Secondly, student government election is coming up in May. Students interested in running for class president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, or historian will need to attend an informal meeting on Friday, May 9th in the choir room at 2:30 p.m.
If you have any questions about show choir or student government, see Ms. Rock in room 2121.
Panthers, next week is Teacher Appreciation Week, a time to celebrate the amazing teachers who will go above and beyond every day to help us learn, grow, and succeed.
Let's show our teachers just how much we appreciate them. Here are a few simple ways you can get involved. Write a thank you note or message to show your favorite teachers. Bring a small treat or a snack to share. Give a sincere thank you in person or participate in any school-wide appreciation events.
Let's make our teachers feel valued and celebrated. They deserve it.
In senior news, our senior awards ceremony is next Wednesday, May 7th at 6 p.m., recognizing scholarships, military enlistments, GPA, and subject awards.
Seniors, if you have received a scholarship, upload a screenshot on your scholarship notification via a link in the senior Google Classroom so we are aware of it, and you will receive an invitation for you and your family to attend.
Also, the Decision Day Parade is on Friday, May 9th during 7th period. At this event, you will proudly represent your selected college, trade school, or military branch. Again, you must fill out the Google form in the senior Google Classroom with a screenshot of your acceptance letter if you plan on attending this event.
For any seniors going to college or trade school, fill out this FAFSA for free money. To start this process, both student and parent must create their own FAFSA ID. It must be before you can start the FAFSA application.
For anyone who needs help with this process, here are some websites that can help.
Speaking of applications, for any of you who have yet to complete their Bright Futures application, visit the site above.
Any seniors looking for more scholarships, check out the 2024 through 2025 scholarship link on the Heritage Guidance website, or you can even use the scholarship search engines as well.
That's all for the week. Panthers, thank you for watching, and remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Panthers!
Go big!
Sorry.
When did we have that?
Go big blue!